Hello, I'm Caroline, and today I'm going to show you how to use CREDO Reference. CREDO Reference is one of our resources that is available through NC Live. Since school started, we really wanted to show you this resource because it's good for projects, papers, even just looking up facts for class. So you can get to it from our library homepage. Just by scrolling down, and it's under quick links for everybody, and it's this first gray button here. So we're going to go ahead and click on that, and then finding CREDO reference is as simple as just typing in CREDO. You don't even have to type in the whole name of the resource, and it's this first one here, so we're going to go ahead and click on it. One of the first things I want to show you on the CREDO website is way down here at the bottom called Research Quick Tips. So this kind of helps you walk through research and how to find and use information to the best extent that you can. So it's just little quick videos, quick tips, how to find and use information. Why you need to use many sources, kind of double checking your information, how to narrow down your search topic. We're going to kind of go over that a little bit too, and then how to find relevant sources. So all those are kind of just good, quick videos if you forget how to do research. So the best way to show you how this resource works is going to be to give an example. So I'm going to look up Terry Pratchett. He's one of my favorite authors, and we'll just kind of walk through the results and the different features CREDO has. Terry Pratchett. So the first thing I want to show you on this page is over here to the right. This is called a mind map. You can also download it. You can export it to a PDF. So this shows you, in the middle has your search term that you looked up, and around it is kind of a spider web of all the results or terms that are relevant to your search. So I searched an author, Terry Pratchett, and I can see from the results here, there's some books that he wrote, some characters that were in his books, and things related to his world. So Unseen University is a place in the Discworld books. Discworld is the universe it takes place in. So I'm going to click on one of the characters. Let's click on Granny Weatherwax. So from clicking on that, it kind of takes our search in another direction. So I clicked on a character. It brings up more characters, places, more books that she appears in. So this option helps you narrow down your search a little bit, find related terms. Let's click on the book title and see what happens. So this is a book title, and that really narrows down my search. So it's showing 2 characters that are in that book and an event that takes place, I believe. Yes, so I think that's as far as that search is going to take us. Let's just go back to Terry Pratchett. So that kind of just gives you an example of how to narrow down your search. Next, we're going to look over here to the left, and I'm going to show you how to filter your searches. So when we search Terry Pratchett, we have 102 results that are in all types. So it's showing encyclopedias, guidebooks, and companions, articles, dictionaries. So if we wanted to narrow it down, we can click on this, and it would give us, we could narrow down for just reference, so that would filter it to show just encyclopedia articles. If we clicked on all subjects, we could narrow it down to the history. So it would probably give us articles on Terry Pratchett's life. Biography would as well. We could narrow it down by date when the article or resource was published, and then how long the resource is. Do you want a long academic paper, or do you want a short definition or article? I'm going to click short and see what it takes me to. So none of these are really relevant to what I want to know. It's nice that we have a definition, kind of gives us an example from the English dictionary. So that's not really what I want, so I'm just going to go back. Okay, let's just type Terry Pratchett again. All right, let's click on this first article that popped up. Okay, so like the mind map on the first search page, we have related terms and searches over to the right. We also have up at the top a way to save this article. We can cite it, even though everything on CREDO reference is free to use. It's still good to cite your information. Easy way to print, share, and if you have a hard time reading the text on the page, there's even an option to use this read aloud function. It will read it to you. And if, so this gives you a lot of different options. And you can also, here at the bottom, have options to cite it without using that button at the top. And you can also see which book it comes from. So let's see if I can find something with an image. Let's just look up world map, because I don't think it's going to show me any pictures of Terry Pratchett. So let's world map. Okay, here's a good one. So this is a world map from DK Eyewitness Books. We have a lot of those here in the library. You can see over to the right, there's another mind map. It's got different types of maps, related search terms, so cartography that's making maps. Let's click world map. We can see, so there's images here. If we click on the image, it'll make it bigger. And it also tells you what type of map it is underneath the image. Let's see if I can find what I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so if you don't want to go back a page, you can easily switch from article to article here at the bottom. I'm going to scroll back up to the top. Not trying to make you guys dizzy, sorry. And you also have related articles over here to the right. All right, I'm going to show you one more thing before we go. So let's look at advanced search up here at the top. So with an advanced search, it will help find you exactly what you need, or closer to what you need. So if I was searching world map, it's going to give me all the search results that have world map in the title. So if I wanted, so world map in the title or in the contents. So using this button here that I just clicked, search only within headings, it's only going to find me results that have world map in the title or heading. We can also filter from this page, or this advanced search. We can narrow down to what type of collection we're pulling from. So DK Eyewitness is going to be a book. We could pull from video collections as well. You can also select your subjects. So if you're looking for something like world map history, so world maps from the past, how we interpreted world maps years ago, you might want to click history instead of science, because science might give you more current results. If you wanted to look at history of world maps, it may give you world maps from 100 years ago. And then publication dates, it will give you, you can search by decades. So I think that's all I wanted to show you. If you have any questions about CREDO reference, you can contact us here at the Madison County Public Libraries. You can send us an email. And of course, the best way to learn a resource is just to get on it and play with it, see what you can find. And I think that's all I have for today. So happy searching, happy researching. And remember, on the Madison County Library homepage, we also have educational resources button. So if you need more than just CREDO reference, you can click on that and find resources for your grade level, or for parents, you can find resources that will help you out there too. All right, until next time, happy researching!